In this video, you will learn how to use Google Forms to create a survey. Go to Google Drive. On left panel, click on New, and then click on Google Forms. Now give your form or survey a name. In our case, we will call it Customer Survey. Here we have an option to add description. This can be helpful to the survey participants to understand what this survey is about. Now click on Untitled Question, and here we can type a question. It was easy to find product information on our website. And here we will select check boxes. As you can see, we can choose the response type from short answer to drop boxes depending on our question. And then click on option 1, agree, option 2, disagree, option 3, neither agree nor disagree. We can duplicate or delete this question if you want to. And here we have required option. If we turn this on, then we can force the participants to answer this question. To add another question, click on plus button on the floating menu to the right. My second question is, do you identify as? And here we can even select from suggestions, male, female, other. We can add another question by clicking on plus button. Customer service had the knowledge to answer my questions. Here you can select drop down and then agree, disagree, neither agree nor disagree. Now up here we can click on customize theme. We can choose an image for header section, that is the beginning of this survey. You can also change the theme color and background color. Then click on settings. Here we have an option to collect email addresses if we want. Limit a participant to respond once per email address. Here we can also select if you want participants to edit after they submit or see text responses afterwards as well. In presentation, we can show the survey participant progress bar and even shuffle question order. We can click on preview to see how our survey looks like. Now let's try and send this form out. Click on send. We have few different options to do so. We can send the form to an email address. You can also share this form via a link. Here is our unique link. We can shorten URL and then copy and paste the link in email or say social media. Third choice is embed HTML if you want to embed this in a website. Now once we have sent this form out, you can view all the responses by clicking on the responses tab. We can see a summary, a pie chart of all the responses. We also have question and individual view. Finally, you can view responses on Google Sheets and use this data in a dashboard.